Hi everyone, this is teacher Lexter Galvez Atentar and I'm from the Philippines. I'm 25 years old and I have my bachelor's degree in secondary education, major in English. I graduated at Central Luzon State University at the year 2023. And also, I acquired one of my certificate, my TFL certificate at the year 2023 also on the month of August. And also on that year, I also have my international certificate when I was in college because I was one of the students who flew internationally to practice my field in teaching at Khon Kaen University, Thailand under the Demonstration School of Modindang Demonstration School. As of my hobby, I really love teaching. Okay, I really love teaching, coaching, finding the problems, and have the solution of every problem that might happen. So, hoping to see you soon.